Okay guys, just giving you a quick overview of this engine. This is out of a Ford, I believe it's a 4.2 liter V6. We have our main components, cylinder head up here, rocker arms, push rods comes through. Lifters are down here, we can't really see them because they're kind of buried at the moment. We have our engine block, cylinders, pistons inside each cylinder. We have our camshaft that goes through the block. This is a camshaft in block. We have some that have overhead cam with the camshaft will be up top of here. This is our timing chain, our timing gears. Notice the timing gear on the crankshaft is much smaller than the gear on the camshaft, twice the size typically. Oil pan. In here, what I really want to show you guys is how the pistons move in the cylinders. And to do that, I'm going to bring you guys a little closer here, see it better. And I'm going to use the booster pack to do that. So this is about 200 RPM, which means it's only about quarter of the speed it would be at idle. And you can see our 3 cylinders, they do not move. Approximately 200 RPM. So pistons are moving up and down. You can see here we have our rocker arms all moving, our push rods. All right, 200 RPM, quite a bit slower than you would see typically at full speed. There's a closer up view of our timing gear set. And on this side you can see cylinder head, the rocker arms, and down into here you can see we have 3 ports which will connect to a exhaust valve. So this is our exhaust, or exhaust manifold would go. So each one of these valves would go up. In my finger, I can feel the valve right here. If you can see up there or not, probably not. Spark plugs here, here, and here. So 3 spark plugs, 3 cylinders on this side, and of course we can have an exhaust valve and an intake valve on each set. So one cylinder has this for one cylinder, the next cylinder, the next cylinder. And if I come around over here, the intake manifold will be sitting up on here, and these are the intakes. So this will come from the manifold where air and fuel would enter here and come through to that valve would open and close as you went through. And there's our pistons inside the cylinders. You can see that there. Okay. And again, our timing chains. Here's another engine. This is out of an Audi. Again, you can see up top here, our cylinder head here, engine block here, oil pan down here, and you can see we have a long chain. It's all the way down. This is the crankshaft down here, camshaft, camshaft. This would be a 4-cylinder engine. You can see here, there's my 4 spark plug holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-cylinder engine. So the way this one here is designed, we would have 1 camshaft to control intake valves, 1 would control exhaust valves. Okay, and they are timed, which means these have to be in the exact same spot or in a spot along with the crankshaft, and all rotate and open and close the exact timing. And on this side here, you can see the camshaft inside underneath the valve cover. Okay, that is an Audi engine, 4-cylinder, inline 4.